Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Proxy Sales, bro. And today in this video, we finna get into how to make some money using, we'll say, cheesecakes. Hey, but let's get into it, man. Now, the first way is learn how to buy your cheesecakes. Y'all know what cheesecakes are. Y'all see the title of the video, and I know why y'all are here, bro. Stop playing. Now, you want to flip them into money. Now, what I mean by that is either buy them and sell them and be a vendor, or get the items that you basically punch and then sell those for probably a price that you'll get lowballed for, but it's good because it's free. Now, number 2, learn CHECKs. Self-explanatory, bro. 3 is find someone who personally cracks. If you can find someone that personally cracks, you know, LOGINs, then you can sell those and make a site yourself and promote that, and you can make a lot of money just by doing that. Or you can use them yourself and just, again, sell the stuff that you get, because that's a great way to make money by doing this, is because, like, that's side money, so it's nothing that's gonna get you in some, you know, issues. But it's also a good amount of money that would help literally anyone, no matter what situation they're in. Number 5 is build relationships with real vendors. Stop buying from people that have the names cropped out, the names covered, no messages forwarded, bro. The only time I ever cover a message is when the person has their phone number as the name. Other than that, you will never see me cover a name. You will never see me do anything like that. That's an example of a real legit vendor, somebody that's not covering anything, somebody that's not doing any sketchy shit, not selling no Cash App load. And please, stop asking for free stuff, bro. I have given free stuff away like once or twice. I'm not gonna do it for you. I promise I'm not. So stop asking for free stuff, please. If you want free stuff, join my Telegram chat, and I will post free things every 100 subs that we gain. Number 6, you need to stop investing in dumps. Dumps are a great way to lose money rather than gain it, bro. There is so much room for error, and there is so many things that could go wrong. You just don't want to even risk it if you're a beginner. Now, number 7, again, it's just flip items you get from cheesecake. Whether that be, you know, buying some BTC with your cheesecakes or, you know, whatever. Now, number 8, because I can't stress this enough. Flip the things you buy as well. Now, I don't mean sell anything that's dead. What I mean is when you learn how to buy something or you obtain something, let's say you obtain some EMV. You can sell that, bro. I sell EMV for $40 just because, I mean, I don't really suggest clones ever to anybody. That's why my price is so low. Because I'm never going to guarantee you something is going to make you money. I'm never going to lie to you just to make a sale to you. Because then you're probably not going to come back and shop with me again. I'm going to be honest with you. If I'm telling you that dumps ain't the way, I'm just trying to save you money. No vendor will tell you that because they want to make a bag off you. Flip the things you obtain, build a reputation, get customers, easy, repeat. That's the best way for beginners to get into this game and make money. So if y'all enjoy, I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my Telegram chat. Bye-bye.